In today's video, I'm going to teach you easy handbrake settings for achieving the best quality. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for ways to optimize your video quality, this guide will walk you through the essential steps. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to download and install Handbrake. You can find it on the official Handbrake website. Download the version suitable for your operating system and follow the installation prompts. Once you have Handbrake installed, go ahead and launch the application. With the application open, let's start by adding your video file. Click on the open source button and select the video file you wish to convert and enhance. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop your video file directly into the Handbrake interface for added convenience. Now that your video is loaded, you'll want to choose a preset. Presets are useful because they offer a good starting point for your encoding settings. If you're focusing on high quality uploads, I recommend selecting the Production Max option. Otherwise, you can also choose a preset based on the platform you intend to use, like YouTube or Vimeo. These platform-based presets are tailored to ensure compatibility and quality for your specific needs. Next, head over to the Video tab settings. Here, you'll need to choose your video codec. The H.264, X.264 codec is a solid default choice for most cases, but if you prefer better compression while maintaining similar quality, you might consider using H.265. A crucial part of this process is setting the constant rate factor, or CRF. This setting is pivotal in determining the video's quality. Remember, lower CRF numbers equate to higher quality, though they also result in larger file sizes. For HD videos, a CRF range of 18 to 23 is recommended, while for 4K videos you might aim for a range of 16 to 20. Make sure to set the frame rate to same as source. This ensures your output video maintains the original smoothness and fluidity of motion. Once you're satisfied with your video settings, switch over to the Summary tab. Opt for MP4 as your format, as it is generally recommended for its compatibility across devices and platforms. Before you start encoding, decide where you'd like to save your output file. Choose your desired destination and create a file name. Finally, you're ready to click on Start Encode to begin the conversion process. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll maximize your video's quality using Handbrake. Remember to experiment with different settings to find what works best for your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.